Key Events in American Society: Stonewall Riots by Caleb Chu. What happened? Basically the event began in June 28, 1969. New York City police had raided the Stonewall Inn, which is a gay club that was located in Greenwich Village in New York City. The Stonewall Inn was a safe place for the lesbian, gay, and transgender community. Police raids upon gay bars were common, but on this night, the LGBTQ community had decided that they had enough and fought back against the raid. The police were mistreating the attenders and arresting people for unauthorized alcohol and other types of violations. As more police came, the crowd had boiled over after the police had mistreated a woman dressed in masculine clothes, had complained that her handcuffs were too tight. During this time, homosexual activities were illegal in all states of the United States except for Illinois. Because of this, bars and restaurants would get shut down for having gay employees or serving gay customers. Most gay bars and clubs were controlled by the mafia, who paid corruptible police officers to look the other way and blackmail wealthy gay customers by threatening to out them. Homosexuality was also considered deviant and sinful. In addition, it was considered a mental illness until it was removed from the DSM in 1973. The Stonewall Riot changed the lives of millions. It not only includes women, but also men. This movement particularly helped women who were in the LGBT plus community. It could be lesbians, bi, or trans women that were mostly impacted by this event. This event did not harm women in any way and instead helped them. It is another human rights event where women are the key people. The fact that it was a woman of color who had the desire to fight back or taking the first step shows how much discrimination they face and how much they want to make a change for it. The key people involved in the resistance were women of color. Some of the women involved were Stormy DeLavery, Sylvia Rivera, and Marsha P. Johnson. So, Stormy Lavari, as you can see over here, was a biracial American woman who was most likely the one that got the crowd to boil over due to the mistreatment by the cops. Sylvia Rivera and Marsha P. Johnson, as you can see over here, this is Sylvia, and this is Marsha. They were trans women who led the Stonewall protests. They had arrived at the scene when the place was already raided and decided to be the leaders of the protests. Stonewall Rights Legacy. Stonewall Rights had a hugely united force in the LGBT plus political activism, as it led to many gay rights organizations. This event also led to multiple protests in the country to push for equal gay rights. Today, it remains to be a powerful symbol of the community's resilience and persistence against enough of oppression and police brutality.